Okay, so this wasn't meant to be a long video. I'm just trying to get straight to the point with what I'm saying. But basically, the biggest breakthrough you could have is realizing how the universe and the cosmos operates, how intricate everything really is. And with that said, it's just amazing to realize you are part of this web of design by this infinite intelligence. So basically, the particles, the quantum particles of the universe that they talk about in quantum physics is us, okay? We are the particles. We're not just made out of these mechanical, particles and all that. We are the particles experiencing themselves. I'm made out of millions of atoms and electrons and neutrons and protons and all that, and quarks and all these other smaller and smaller particles of information, light, intelligence, okay? And the reason why quantum physics needs to wake up more is because this is the facts of what's going on. Atoms have awareness, okay? Quarks and protons, electrons and all that, they're all intelligent. Okay, I wouldn't be made out of all that and have a consciousness that can think and realize that it's actually conscious and aware without that being a fact. It doesn't make sense for me to be made out of mechanical energy and yet I'm not an intelligent being, or the atoms that I'm made out of aren't also intelligent beings. So when we're talking about the universe, we're talking about the quantum particles that the universe is made out of. The universe exists as an infinite field of quantum particles, of intelligent atoms, intelligent particles, intelligent points of information, light. And those points of information and light, those particles have an awareness, so they also are a point of attention of the universal mind itself, as what some people call it. And this is just what it is. Okay, people have seen this on DMT, they've seen it on NDEs, and you can see it just by meditating long enough, just by focusing your frequency long enough to higher frequencies where you can get more information. But it's all around you, we're in it now. We can never leave this pool or this sea of infinite particles, okay? We're not just talking about a quantum field or quantum particles or this or that. No, awareness is also quantum as well. Awareness is infinite, yet it is the smallest quantum particle that could exist, that can exist, that does exist, okay? So the wave and the quantum particle are one and the same, and they both can manifest at the same time and interface with each other because it's all the same energy, consciousness, field, mind, whatever you want to call it. The cosmos is one thing, so to speak. When they talk about oneness, it is true, but at the same time, the universal mind or this infinite field of quantum particles transcends oneness. So it's ultimately unknowable, and we can only try and conceptualize to the highest degree of what it is, but without a shadow of a doubt, we can never forget that we can't fully 100% know it, even though we are it. So technically we are these quantum particles, this infinite field of intelligent points of awareness, energy, intelligence, all that. But yet there's an aspect where we can't know, it's unknowable until we go right into the heart of it. And maybe that'll happen after we die or whatever. Or maybe it happens every time after we die. And we go back to the central point, realize what's really going on, and then decide to forget again and come to another life down here somewhere else. But yeah, the quantum field is us. We are these particles, we are this intelligent, infinite, interconnected web of cosmic mind, and that's just the facts of it. And eventually quantum physics is going to see that quarks, atoms, protons, electrons, all that, it has an intelligence, it has awareness, it is intelligent. There's no other way for me to be made out of them and be able to think and have a consciousness that is intelligent all by itself, okay? That means that if I'm made out of atoms, they are intelligent too. They are conscious too, because it doesn't make sense otherwise. But you don't need me to tell you. We just need quantum physics and the quantum mechanics community to fully wake up. At least the aspects of it that haven't fully woken up. Let's go, people.